An airliner crashes into the sea and all aboard are lost. Did the airplane suffer some catastrophic malfunction? Did air traffic control give the wrong information? Or was it a situation in which the pilots were not competent to handle it? A car speeds off the road, resulting in a fatal accident. Did the brakes fail? Was the driver distracted or impaired? Or was the driver not experienced in handling an unexpected situation that resulted in the crash? Hello, and welcome back to the Explosion Protection Professional EXPP Microlearning Series. I'm Bob Johnson, your guide through the world of explosion protection. In our last video, we discovered the various roles, responsibilities, and who is responsible for safety in electrical hazardous areas and why it's so important. Today, we'll dive into what defines competency, who determines it, how we can achieve it, what both industry and regulators require. The IECEx operational document 504 states, quote, "Competence includes the ability to carry out specific tasks versus prescribed general requirements specified in regulations and installation procedures." It also states that competence depends on knowledge, skill, experience, and training. We all know that measuring competence is not an easy task, requiring specific assessment methods. Our competence may change, improving or deteriorating our abilities. Standards and technology also evolve. Human, technological, and process changes require continuous learning and assessment. Being competent requires having the knowledge and the ability to demonstrate when assessed. Observing and evaluating by someone in your organization or some outside entity is crucial in verifying your competence. Like being a commercial airline pilot, a hazardous location professional requires experience, being trained properly, making the correct judgments, and demonstrating that to other professionals. This holds true in many professional positions, especially in those areas where mistakes can cause lives, loss of destruction of property and assets. Within the explosive atmosphere standards, competency requirements are spelled out within various 60079 standards, including the -14 for design and installation and the -17 standard for inspections. Competency is also referenced in the 80079-34 standard for manufacturers as part of their quality process. A new IEC technical specifications adds additional roles and responsibilities required to demonstrate competence. You may think by learning by yourself or being trained is sufficient to become competent. However, the critical component in truly becoming an explosion protection professional is to be assessed, just like taking exams for a degree or being tested to obtain a pilot or driver's license. Both major competency programs available today for professionals in EX, Competence, and the IECEx COPC programs emphasize this fact, and they combine both the training and assessments of the students to determine competency. And just like a driver's license, competency must be demonstrated at various intervals throughout your professional life. In the case of an EX professional, you may move into a different role within your company or change job functions. You need to learn the new position and responsibilities of that job and demonstrate that you are capable. It's similar to continuous learning. We all take part in our day-to-day lives. Please also understand that being competent in EX is not just a good idea, but it's a requirement for many companies worldwide and regulators in various countries. These organizations realize that having competent people involved in the design, selection, direction, inspection, and maintenance of EX equipment and systems ultimately results in a safer environment and can help avoid accidents that can cause lost productivity and lead to the destruction of facilities, loss of lives, and damages to the environment. The Explosion Protection Professional EXPP program here at BARTEC Academy is set up to do just that. It provides you with the continuous training at your pace with assessments on various topics and modules as you progress in the form of exams. BARTEC Academy and Source IEX will award those successful candidates a certificate in competency. However, some parts of the world or certain clients may insist on IECEx certification. Not to worry, the EXPP learning program will provide you with the foundation to be assessed in the various modules offered by the IECEx and can also be completed in conjunction with us if you choose to do so. Your choice to embark on this journey, pursuing EX competency, is a pivotal step. It is a commitment to excellence and dedication to creating a safer environment. For those of you who want to learn more, feel free to visit academy.bartec.com, your digital learning hub. Subscribe and enjoy our learning offering in explosion protection awareness and competency. Follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit bartec.com. Reach out to me, and I will personally answer your questions. Thank you for joining me today. In our next video, we'll learn how to achieve personal competence in EX and how we can assist you on your journey in becoming EX competent and obtain your EXPP competence certificate.
If you want to go beyond explosion protection awareness to reach a higher level of competency and compliance, please visit our Academy website. Email at academy@bartec.com, call us at 281-214-8542, or reach out to any of our partners and BARTEC offices worldwide. It would be our pleasure to send you the brochure and information about our digital and in-person explosion protection professional competency certification program. You will receive a BARTEC Academy EXPP certificate and have the option to obtain your IECEx certification of personnel competency for you and your whole team.